If the only time you reach for an aspirin is when you feel a headache coming on, you might want to reconsider. While aspirin is commonly used to treat headaches and people at risk for heart attacks or blood clots, the medicine cabinet is only one place this cheap solution works. The next time you head out to the backyard to work on your garden, you might want to include a bottle of aspirin in your garden supplies. Here are 7 reasons you should use aspirin in your garden. 1. Aspirin works as a rooting agent. When you're transplanting your flowers or other plants, help them grow sturdier roots. Spritz the roots of your plants with a mixture of aspirin and water before replanting them in a pot to develop firmer roots. 2. Aspirin improves germination. A low dose of aspirin, like 2 tablets in 2 gallons of water, can significantly improve seed germination. In fact, in one study, the plants treated with the aspirin water had a 100% germination rate, while the plants that weren't treated had more inconsistent results. 3. Aspirin helps cut flowers stay fresh longer. Put a half tablet of aspirin in a vase with fresh cut flowers from your garden to help them stay fresh longer. 4. An aspirin paste can ease bug bites and stings. If you get bit by a bug or stung by a bee while you're working out in the garden, crush an aspirin tablet into some water and apply it to the bite for instant sting relief. 5. Aspirin increases growth of plants. The University of Rhode Island sprayed plants with an aspirin water solution once every 3 weeks for the course of an entire growing season. At the end, the plants sprayed with the aspirin solution were bigger and had more fruit and flowers than their counterparts. 6. Aspirin makes it easier to grow healthier tomatoes. Spray your tomato plants or soak seeds in aspirin water before planting them in the ground for healthier, more disease-resistant plants. 7. Aspirin treats fungus conditions in the soil. Spray your plants with an aspirin water to prevent fungal diseases. Additionally, the same solution can help cure blight on your plants. You just need to spray your plants at the first site of blight for it to be effective. Using aspirin is not technically an organic solution. However, it is a safe option that contains far fewer chemicals than most store-bought products. Have you ever used aspirin in your garden? Let us know in the comments.